Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how can you set up options trading on Fidelity. In order to start option trading on Fidelity, you need an option agreement on file and a sufficient buying power as well. So for that, first of all, you'll need to complete an option application which you could access from your financial situation and investment experience as well. For that, you want to first of all have a Fidelity brokerage account, and after which the application helps Fidelity determine your eligibility for option trading. Once you're done completing the application, you need to review and sign the option agreement. Then you have to go ahead and select the underlying stocks for which you want to trade option as well. And this displays all the options contract for your chosen stock. Then you have to choose a specific call or put option you want to trade, including strike price and expiry date as well. Once done, enter the details of your trade such as buy or sell, other type or quantity and price as well. Then you have to go ahead and keep your track of your positions and adjust as needed. And Fidelity also provides resources, educational webinars, virtual classrooms, and profit and loss calculator to help you earn or learn manage your option trade as well. This is how you could do option trading on Fidelity investment. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.